CWI stands for Certified Welding Inspection. I'm also a CWI Certified Welding Inspector. It takes years and a lot of education in order for us to even become a CWI. A CWI is utilized on projects to where they want to get an initial new build perspective of what the quality of work is being performed. So we can do direct visual of welds if requested and required. We can also be a part of the client's direct observation of work being performed on a plant. We can qualify welders. We can give them an assessment and a daily report or an overall report that allows them to know that we're there monitoring their equipment, their product, and that we're there for their best interests. The additional things that we do is, we look at drawings, we look at specifications, we look at the code that's being utilized. Through that, we also make sure that the welders are performing the welding application. So we look at WPSs. So our clients have a really good understanding from us, from a very broad perspective of why we're there on their project and what they can expect for quality moving forward.